Go ahead.
This is Webkins 96, and today we're adopting the pink little fish, and we got the coat off. We need to put the letters in. Next one is next one.
Don't say what they are.
I know what it is.
Good.
Caps lock.
Yep, there's capital.
Cheese nuts.
Shh. Shh. Don't say it. Alright, yeah. Alright, who next?
I can sit.
Go ahead.
What is it?
It's right here.
You all got it?
Next one's right there. Right there.
The A?
Yep. Right there. And then the last one's right there.
Oh.
Alright.
And some bit.
Okay, all we need before we can send this pet home with you is for you to give them a name and tell us if they are a boy or a girl.
I see.
Girl.
And it's E. And then L. And then what?
What is it?
R.
What's this?
And the I.
That's what's next.
E.
No! That. Oh, hold on. We gotta get the caps lock off.
D.
What does
O.
it say on her tag? No.
Glittery.
Yeah. See? Oops. It's got the word glitter on her tag. So spell glitter. Right there. Nope. T's. 2 T's.
This is the
And then
I.
ER. See? ER.
Is it E?
E's up there.
This?
R. Yep. R is next to it. R is next to it. And then a Y. Like glittery.
This is a Y. Yay! Yay! Hey.
It's like a couple minutes. Oh, this one's quick. And, hold on. And there we go.
There you go.
Let me see if I can get it without showing the flash. There we go. Congratulations. Go ahead, read it.
And there's a little girl pink glittery. And thanks for watching. Bye.